I think that's the last one. This was super gross. This was super gross. I needed to prove to you all. If somebody didn't believe me, let me get the eyes. No. Someone didn't believe me. I filled up the trash can. So I was about to record something, and I got in a sneezing fit and decided I have my camera here. I'll record it. So I was already like 2 or 3 sneezes in. That was a bit of a lighter one. By the way, this is like the 6th time I had to empty out this garbage can. So if somebody wasn't believing me, because I've been doing the live streams and I seem okay during those, that's because I don't record these times. Okay, well, I'm going to have some water, take some medicine, and wait a little while, because I don't think I'm up to recording. Sorry for this video. Bye.